Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's staying and what is leaving once the Call of Whales Fashionwave is over. So it's going to end this week. I believe this week is the last week on Saturday, so it's going to be gone. So the ones that are going to be gone are the NPCs, except for Rory and Oliver, I believe, or just Rory, I don't remember. But all of this will be gone. So no more of the fishes, the recipes, you cannot use the stove anymore. The insects, the items here in gardening, so like the starfruit and daffodil, as well as the birds. You cannot access the Fashionwave store anymore, so if you want to purchase anything, you just do it now. So no more of the fashion activities here except for the ocean cleanup. You just won't get the rewards from it. And I believe this will be gone as well. So everything that's here will be gone. But don't worry, the Whalefall Canyon will still be here. You can still clean up. You can still access this and get the certificates and exploration points from the daily requests. You can still upgrade these up to level 30. Also, the dolphin will be gone as well when the event ends, so keep that in mind. Still haven't gotten the other dolphin statue, which, oh my gosh, it's very hard, you guys. I did get the pink one, but I haven't gotten the other one yet. The ocean cleanup event is obviously here to stay, as well as the hobby, because this is a permanent addition to the map. So don't worry, you still have a lot of time to catch up if you're still level something, because this is more of a chill game actually, so don't rush it too much. I definitely did rush it at the beginning, but now I'm just okay, I can't clean up every single time to earn exploration points and harvest plants so I can level up quickly. I believe I'm still level 8 of the ocean cleanup hobby. Oh my gosh, I need to eat. But I believe that's it. The ones that are staying and leaving. Although I'm not sure if the NPCs places will be the same or not. I believe later they're going to move up back to their places. Except for Rory and Oliver, they're gonna stay down here. Also, there's one thing I forgot to mention. Your Seamount Home will still be here for you to edit, decorate, and visit. So when the event has ended, this will still be here. Don't worry about that. But yeah, this is the last week, so this is just a little reminder. Again, Whalefall Canyon here to stay. The Fashionwave event isn't going to stay. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!